Hello and welcome. Today we are going to solve 6 problems in a series of 8 problems of JEE Advanced 2020 Paper 1. In the first side, this problem looks intimidating. We require to solve an inequality fx is greater than or equal to 0, where x belongs to an interval 0 to 2. But the function fx is not easy to deal with. At the starting, we have no clue how to solve this inequality. Should we give a chance to our fate by simply starting with applying the formula of sine function for the sum and the difference of angles? Or can we do something better? Applying the formula for sine function might make the function fx more ugly and it would become harder to deal with. So first we should try to make fx manageable. The harder part with fx is that it contains nasty angles. If somehow we could make them simpler by using clever substitution, we might make our life easy. So my bet is on letting y is equal to pi x minus pi by 4. This gives 3 pi x plus pi by 4 is equal to 3y plus pi, and 2 pi x is equal to 2y plus pi by 2. Therefore, we get fx is equal to 3 minus cos 2y into sin y plus sin 3y. It is quite manageable, but before we forget everything in the charm of its simplicity, we should immediately note down the interval where y lies in, because our goal is to solve the inequality for y and hence for x. We are given x lies in the interval 0 to 2. This gives us y belongs to an interval minus pi by 4 to 2 pi minus pi by 4. This covers one complete revolution. That is not bad. Now let's come to an inequality. We simply manipulate the updated fx by using the identity of sin 3y and then of cos 2y. Finally, we get the inequality sin y into 5 minus 2 sin square y is greater than or equal to 0. Notice that the second factor 5 minus 2 sin square y is always positive because the sin square y is at most 1 and hence this factor is at least 3. Thus we have to solve sin y is greater than or equal to 0. And considering the interval of y, we get y belongs to an interval 0 to pi, and this gives x belongs to 1 by 4 to pi by 4. Hence the required value is 1. This completes the solution. This was a problem which seemed intimidating in the first side, but once we pricked the balloon, it got deflated. The idea was clever substitution, and eventually everything became seamless. That's all in this video. See you next time.